Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Grabe, napakatindi nito mga bossing. Tignan ninyong maigi ang kaliwat kanan, ang lalakas ng suntok.
Those long levers, but Wellens so good at getting inside. He needs to get out of this corner because this is Wellens at his best. Right hook, this is up the levels again. Really imaginative punch picking here from Wellens and Lubanja. He's covering up, he's going to need to throw back, but he's...
Napatulala na nga lang ang kalaban sa bigat ng suntok nitong ating Pinoy.
And Wellens goes to 8-0.
Hindi na bago ang boksingerong ito na aking ipapakilala dahil naitampo ko na ito sa inyo at ang kanyang pangalan ay kumalat na hanggang dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit ang Team Pacquiao at mismong si Pacquiao na ang mismong nakapansin sa boksingerong ito. Tom Wellens, Pinoy-British kontra sa Tanzania na si Ali B. Labunja. Sa mga laban talaga nitong si Tom Wellens, siya ang palaging nagdidikta ng laban.
Channel 5 shows in Brighton. He has been accelerated through Pro Fight number 8 in only 16 months as a pro. Exciting young fighters around.
Such a talent, composed for such a young man, composed with his work, every punch he throws.
Absolutely. Rama Valetza, a former English champion, from Dar es Salaam, big boxing scene there. And this is his second fight outside of last year. But he's got his hands full tonight here with Wellens. Watch
again, like it's typical Wellens, just nice and composed. Again, pressures you with that stakes, and then with that, they jump when you capitalise and make you
hurt. I just see there with Wellens there, just a little feel when he's going to attack, what he's going to do next.
Made his debut here. You described it as one of the best. Notice though that he's lost that. This is really measured. A terrific left hook to the body from Wellens.
The final shot's a fantastic shot, but the build-up to the shot.
Napakadulas din itong boksingero, ang hirap patamaan.
This is something very good opening round for Atomic Tom. We have Dan Toward to look forward to these Wasserman cards. Both well. The ceiling could be Conn and Toward. Wellens time on his side as well at the age of just 20. Still working him out.
There's constant pressure turning the screw. But early in his career, he was a little bit hot-headed at times. Knew he had a bit of people out there really quick. He's realising now, I can just break fighters down with minimum risk, and that's what he's doing here. He's not making any mistakes, any shots back, but breaking you down, making you feel the pain. And then when the shots appear, he's making
solar plexus from Wellens. Up, guided by Will Jones. Always looking for these little improvements. The uppercut
just makes you forces you back. Pace.
Previous fight against Charles Chilala back in Tanzania. The scorecards and the other two.
Sa long range nitong Tanzania ay malaki ang kanyang advantage sa laban, ngunit hindi nito magagamit ang kanyang haba sa likod nitong ating kababayan.
A place they call Mafia Island in Tanzania. Trying to use long levers, but Wellens so good at getting inside. He needs to get out of this corner because this is Wellens at his best. Right hook, and he picked him off as well there with that straight left. Wellens just sets it, enjoying watching Tom Wellens, and won this year, but he too is aware. Started boxing at a very good young footballer playing for Cambridge.
The problem you got with Wellens is holding him back. I think you have to hold him back, and he'll want to be fighting for titles. Once you get to that level, you can't go back down, and there's so much experience to learn. There's tougher tests to wait for.
Napakahusay talaga nitong si Tom Wellens. Napapanatili niyang nasa corner itong kalaban upang mas mapatama ng maayos ang mga suntok nito sa kanyang kalaban.
We also have that front foot I mentioned already. He plants it right in the center of your stance, forces you to react to him.
Ken Lubanja backed up here. That left hook got through. Right hook to the body as well from one, and there's that left hook again. Lubanja, oh man, this Ali B. Lubanja.
It's a problem for Lubanja. If he doesn't fire back well, and the gaps there for Wellens to land with heavy shots. Most fighters don't get to their mid-20s. He's starting to understand how things work for him. Not just going through the repertoire of skills, he understands how to break you down, the process it takes. Everything's off the jab. Don't go.
Oh, superb right hand there. Straight right from Welland that he set up. Instructions being calmly put across. They work really
One
well.
of his earlier fights where he got a little bit excited, so maybe that calmness in the keeping him level-headed and going through what they were doing in the gym, breaking fighters.
And wants to get out of that corner. Wants to keep him pinned in there.
There, Lebanja. It's a little bit too...
Working so hard to the body. Again, he digs to the body and then follows it up with that straight right hand. A smile on the face of Lebanja.
And there's 3 or 4 automatically. So much speed from Welland. Just like to see him take a step around the target. When he's got him in the corner now, if he just takes a little step to the right, that opens up the body for him. A different angle of attack. There's a left hook through the middle.
Again, he has Lebanja backed into that corner. Mixes up the levels again. Really imaginative punch picking here from Welland, and Lebanja is covering up. He's going to need to throw back, but he's down. Relentless pressure to the body from Tom Welland. And I'm not sure Lebanja's getting up here. He's in agony, and it's done. And Welland goes to 8-0.
Dito na tinapos ni Kabayan ang paghihirap nitong Tanzania. Napakatinding body shot ang nagpasuko sa kalaban upang hindi na ituloy pa ang laban. Ano ang masasabi ninyo mga bossing sa ating kababayan? Asahan natin na isa ito sa magiging world champion at magiging pambato ng ating Pilipinas. Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.